Hi, I'm Gerald, Product Manager at MultiTaction. I'm here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. I want to present you to our other product called Canvas. This is our collaboration tool. It's running on the moment on this wall over here. It's running on our XMB displays, which are our state-of-the-art, really the best touch displays in the market. And what I want to show you some nice features of this display and of this software. So what we have in here is some of our new features which we've added to the product. And one is very easy, is to do some handwriting recognition, for instance. So I'll take a snapshot of it. And as you noted, my handwriting was not that good, so Google couldn't really read it. What we show here is not that we can do handwriting recognition. What we show is that we can have connections to other systems and other databases. Other things which are special of a wall, we can I can go on the side. On the side we have menus which are the same on the bottom, and on these buttons you can pin things so you cannot move the canvas when you're working with more people. You can have your video inputs, either USB cameras, somebody filming there, and computers, which we can connect to this as well. It's a very easy to use system. So you put your finger up there, you get this pop-up menu, and I think that's one of the most important things for any whiteboard you're going to use, that it has to be easy to use. Thank you. If you want to know more about us, go to multitaction.com.